Welcome to the introductory course about our solar system, where you will learn about its history and components. Our solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy, a hazy band of light, seen in the night sky. The Milky Way is home to more than 100 billion stars. Our solar system was formed 4.6 billion years ago, from the gravitational collapse of a giant interstellar, molecular cloud. Due to higher boiling points closer to the Sun, only metals and silicates could exist in solid form. These formed the rocky planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The giant planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune formed beyond the frost line, where volatile icy compounds could remain solid. Leftover debris formed the asteroid belt, Kuiper belt, and Oort cloud.
The age of the Earth is estimated at approximately 4.54 billion years, and this approximate age may increase or decrease by 50 million years, as it was estimated based on the history of the age of rocks by radiometric measurement, and it is reported that a rock estimated to be approximately 4.03 billion years old was found in northwestern Canada. In addition to finding minerals in Australia that are estimated to be approximately 4.3 billion years old, despite this, scientists did not link the age of the rocks to the age of the Earth, given that the terrestrial rocks go through a life cycle in which they are reconstituted. Methods for calculating the age of the Earth. There are two ways to calculate the age of the universe. First, the primitive methods. Scientists relied on several primitive methods to estimate the age of the Earth in the past centuries, all of which were later described as unreliable methods, and here comes an explanation of some of these methods. Sea level change is an ever-changing factor. Or try to predict the age of the Earth by calculating the time required for the Earth or the Sun to cool down to today's temperatures. Estimate the age of the Earth by measuring the salinity of the oceans. Secondly, calculating the age of rocks through the radiative effect. The radiative effect expresses the age of rocks in years by calculating the percentages of the presence of short-term radioactive elements or the percentages of long-term radioactive elements, and accordingly, determining the age of the Earth depends on the nuclear decomposition of isotopes of radioactive elements naturally, as many researches have shown that the age of the universe and the Earth is equal to billions of years, as the age of the largest rocks of the solar system is estimated at 4.5 billion years. It is reported that the best estimate of the age of the Earth relied on the radioactive effect of the Canyon Diablo meteorite. When scientists studied its fragments, they determined the proportions of elements such as radioactive uranium and its decomposition products over billions of years. In addition, geologists found annual layers in the ice that were estimated to number in the tens of thousands, and when combined with the results of the radioactive effect and radioisotope analysis, they found that they are hundreds of thousands of years old. Scientists explain this range by saying that the time it took for the solar system to evolve happened gradually over about 50 million years. By studying not only the rocks on Earth, but also the information gathered about the surrounding system, scientists were able to determine the age of the Earth to be about 4.54 billion years. For comparison, the Milky Way galaxy that contains the solar system is approximately 13.2 billion years old, while the universe itself is 13.8 billion years old. Our master Adam is considered the first to be created from humans, then generations came after him to this day. Each stage of human life on Earth differs from the other. Many studies have indicated that the age of man on Earth has reached more than 500,000 years. In addition, there are many human fossils dating back millions of years. Scholars' judgments can bear many errors. God Almighty has mentioned that humans were created after the existence of the jinn on earth, which means that the jinn existed on earth before humans, and this dates back to millions of years. Many attempts by humans to know the age of man on earth appeared after the creation of Adam. Some scientists have concluded that the age of man on earth reaches more than 10,000 years. It is noticeable here that there is a difference in knowing the age of man on planet Earth. But the most identical is that the age of man on planet Earth does not exceed 10,000 years. According to what was stated in religious books in Islam, Christianity, and Judaism. A dangerous study reveals how the end of planet Earth will be. About a year ago, another, more exciting conversation threatening our planet appeared on the horizon. Scientists talked about the beginnings of a cold pervading the Earth's core, as the Earth's core is the hidden heart of our planet and the secret key to preserving life. What is the story? Scientists have discovered that the Earth's core is cooling faster than expected, which will have serious repercussions for the future of our planet. About 4.5 billion years ago, the Earth's core was just a deep ocean of superheated magma, which cooled over time and formed the surface we live on today. This process left behind a set of processes that keep our planet active today, such as volcanoes and plate tectonics. And behind this process remained puzzling questions for scientists, such as the speed of cooling and when this process will end, and the ensuing environmental repercussions that may turn the Earth into a planet without life, as is the case with Mars, for example. The story of the Earth's core is strange, especially if we realize how the temperature of the Earth's interior reaches more than 10,000 degrees Celsius, which makes it hotter than the surface of the Sun. This superheating creates a massive magnetic field for Earth, far out in space, which keeps charged particles away before they can be swept away by the solar wind. These magnetic fields create an impenetrable barrier in space that prevents faster, more energetic electrons from hitting life on Earth. Although estimates of the accelerated cooling of the Earth's core include tens of billions of years, the same idea is radically linked to the extent of the ability of asteroids or meteorites to penetrate the Earth's outer cover, which is one of the most dangerous scenarios that actually threaten the Earth.